Hello, everybody. My name is Roger, and this is the Application Performance Group 15.11 planning. With me today is Paul, who is our engineering manager. Say hi to everybody, Paul.
Hello, everyone.
Cool. So we're just going to quickly go through the items we have in mind. In 15.11, our team is operating at approximately 70% capacity. Nicola has been on paternity leave last month, and he's still on paternity leave. We expect he'll be back roughly the end of this month. Our top priorities are roughly threefold. First off, we want to wrap up our Ruby 3.0 work. Ruby 3.0 has now been deployed to GitLab SaaS. We are going to run a retro to document our learnings, and there is some small amount of cleanup items that our team is responsible for. There are some additional optional work items, but we're going to basically forward them to the Ruby 3.1 upgrade stream for consideration and prioritization. The other major area of this theme, the other major theme of this milestone is for us to continue ramping up on real-time features across GitLab. In 15.10, we prioritized a context transfer about real-time text editing due to a team member departure and updated the documentation to capture our current state of work. Because we estimate that real-time text editing is over a year from production readiness, we've decided to pause this work stream in favor of improving our current real-time stack. We're going to ramp up on our current real-time stack by extending issue epics to use real-time updates using our current technology. We're going to document our learnings on our real-time developer documentation, support a tutorial for how to contribute to real-time features. And after that, our next steps is to formulate a strategy on how we can actually iterate towards real-time by default as a company-wide domain. The third pillar here is to analyze and time box some of the application performance opportunities we see within GitLab using some of the Google Cloud profiling tooling that we've built out. Paul, do you want to touch on this a little bit more?
Yep. So as of now, we've actually deployed the support for Google Cloud profiling to staging, and we're making some iterations over the next week or so just to improve it now that we're able to see how it looks on the UI. So once we've done that, towards the end of this iteration, I think our plan is to spend around a week or so time-boxed looking into some of the slow pages within GitLab that get a lot of traffic through a prioritized list, and try to look for any cross-cutting improvements that we can make across that. There's been a few teams that have contacted us to around with some performance issues that they think we could help with. So we're going to try and look to kind of prioritize those as well. And we will hopefully use some of this new tooling, the cloud profiling support that we've built to support that.
Yeah, that's super exciting. And then lastly, just two small maintenance items to call out here. One is a small bug around Prometheus metric samples and some spikes that we see. We think some of this work could be helpful as we support our real-time working stream, because we expect this problem to exacerbate as we increase our GraphQL queries across our system. And as another maintenance item, there's a dependency update here for Go 1.19 that we'll address with GME as well. Anything else, Paul, that you've got in mind?
Nope, I think that just about covers it.
Cool. Well, thank you so much. This is Application Performance Group's 15.11 planning.
Thanks.